Welcome to 1 Minute English. Today we are going to break down conditional sentences, a very important grammar rule for competitive exams. We will make it super easy for you guys. First thing first, what is a conditional sentence? A conditional sentence always talk about a condition and its possible result. We usually use the word if to introduce the condition. There are three types of conditionals. Type number one, which talks about real condition, something that can happen. Type number two talks about unreal conditions, something which cannot happen. Type number three talks about past condition, which is too late now and it didn't happen. Let's go through them one by one. Type 1. It is used for real conditions, something that is likely to happen in present or future. Just remember, always use simple present after if and will, can, may in the result sentence. Type number 2 is for imaginary or unreal situation, the things that are not true now. We use simple past after if and would and could in the result. And yes, we say if I were you and not was. That's a correct grammar. If I were you, I would prepare for UPSC. Type 3 talks about past regrets or missed chances. It's something that didn't happen and now it's too late. Also notice the inversion, had you obeyed. That's another form often seen in exams. For example, if he had studied, he would have passed. If they have left early, they might have caught the train. We are talking about situation which could have happened but didn't happen. Had you obeyed the orders, this could have been avoided. One important exception, this rule does not apply to universal truths or scientific facts. We always use simple present for universal truths or scientific facts. For example, if the water reaches 100 degree, it boils. Even though if is used, but it is not a conditional if. This is a truth. If you heat ice, it melts. It is something universal truth, so use simple present. Let's quickly revise. Here's the summary table you can see. Type 1. If clause will be simple present, main clause will be will, can, may and verb first form. Second type. If clause will be in simple past and then we have to use would or could plus verb first form. Third type. If clause will be past perfect and main clause will be would have plus verb third form. Practice tip. For exams, first check the if clause tense. Then match it with the correct main clause. Okay. Eliminate the options with the tense mismatch because mostly questions will be on tense mismatch. For example, if I will go, I will help. It is incorrect because if sentence should be simple present. So it should be if I go, I will help. In the main clause only we need to use will, can and may. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for more such tip. In the next video we will do some practice questions on it. Thank you.